Hello, my Facebook friends. It's time to pot this beast. It's pot little circle 78.75 from Sunset Valley Orchids. This was purchased with Wade's Orchids. Look how big she is. Amazing. Beauty time. A little bath in 520. That medium really stunk. Ay, ay, ay. So guys, as you can see, all these roots have to go. This is the velamen, and this is the actual root, the thin part that helps the velamen bring up the water. So all this has to go chop, 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 chop. Okay guys, so this repot was a little bit difficult. It has some sphagnum moss in the middle. It was very French. The roots are really tight. So I'm still cleaning her up because she has a bit of dead root. I did chop off all the longer dead roots off. This one's good. This one's nice and sturdy. These are not still. So I added again new water with 520, a little bit of fertilizer and calcium. And I'll leave her soak a bit. And then I'll repot her. So she's really big, so I'm dividing her here because it was like the loosest area. So, and I'll put her in 2 different pots. Dividing her right here. Okay, beautiful friends. So I'm gonna repot the largest division, which is this one in this mesh pot. So I'm going to add the split on the bottom. This is what I had, so this is what I'm going to use. It should do the work. And I'm going to be repotting it with large Orchid bark. So let's just thread this through. I'm adding 2. Okay. And I'm using large Orchid bark. The old medium I had, it was like seedling bark and sphagnum moss. And then I think my mistake was that I up-potted it when I should have repotted her because she only bloomed once and never again. So I'll be back when I'm done. Okay guys, so this is the final outcome of the repotting. This is the smallest division. Let's hope she does really well. And this is the largest division in her original pot. So I got her, well, I potted up 12/30/21 and today is 5/15/2024. Let's see if this baby flowers this time. Okay guys, thank you for watching and come back again. Lots of repotting. Bye.